factorize 3x squared plus 14x plus 8. Write this out. You have 3x squared plus 14x plus 8. We go to step 1. Step 1. Good. We go for the first one, 3x squared. And then multiply by the last one, which is 8. And that gives us 24x squared. Step 2. We go for the middle one. The middle one is 14x. Beautiful. Good. Now we need two numbers. We want to multiply these two numbers and get step 1, which is 24x squared. Okay, the same two numbers. We add them. Will it give us step 2? Or we subtract. Will it give us step 2? Let's do it. So we go for our numbers. This is 24, 12 times 2. 12x times 2x. Start with the bigger one first. And then the smaller one. That will give us 24x squared. And if we take 12x here, if we add 2x to it, so what is that going to give us? That's going to give us 14x. Good. So these are our two numbers. Good. Let's do it. So we put 12 here. X multiplied by 2x. That gives us 24x squared. And we take the same 12x here and we add it. Okay, we remove the minus sign, so it's a plus sign that works. Okay, good. And that gives us 14x. So that's what we're going to use. 12x plus 2x. Okay, let's tidy up. Good, and let's go. Okay, so here we start with our question, which is what? 3x squared. And then we have a plus 14x, and then we have a plus 8. Good. So let's rewrite it, and then we have what? We're going to substitute this. So that's going to be 3x squared. Instead of plus 14x, we will have plus 12x. Okay, 12x and plus 2x, and then plus 8. So we have it here. And this. Beautiful. Good. And let's put brackets in. Write that first. And then put in your brackets. Bracket here, lift this one untouched, and then go for the remaining brackets. Good. Excellent. Okay, let's tidy up. Okay. Good. Now let's factorize. We have 3x squared plus 12x. So what can go in both of them? You got x, you got x here, you got x here, and then 3 can go here, 3 can go in 12. Beautiful. So we're going to use what? 3x. So we got 3x here, and that was open bracket. 3x squared divided by 3x. 3 cancels 3, x1 at the bottom, x2 at the top. So we're going to be left with x. Good. Here plus 12x divided by 3x, x cancel x. 3 in 12, that will give us a 4. So good. Okay, let's tidy up. Okay, tidy up there. Okay, good. And let's go to the next one. Oh yes, that's going to be addition sign. Good, addition sign. Excellent. Okay, good. And then we have open bracket. Before the open bracket, we look at this. And this, what can go? Okay, 2 is common, so it's going to be 2. Open the bracket. Okay, so 2x divided by 2, we're going to be left with x. And then x divided by 2, we're going to have a 4. Okay, let's tidy up. Okay, good. Okay, we can see that we've got the same thing here. X plus 4, x plus 4. That means we're fine. We're fine. Once you have that, you're fine. So let's now group them. We take the bracket first. So if we take the bracket first, that's not going to be nice, because we can see that this one here is going to be, we have 3x there, and we have plus 2 there. And that one seems to be a bit bigger. We have 3x, and in the bracket we have x. So let's go for without a bracket. Okay. So we're going to leave the bracket, we're going to make that one the second one, and then the one outside the bracket is going to go first. Okay, let's do that. So let's go. So we will have what? We have 3x here plus 2, and that's going to be the first one. And then we'll go for the one in the bracket, which is what? X plus 4. Close the bracket up. Good. And let's tidy up. So we tidy up, and tidy up, tidy up. So we have that. So this is going to be our answer. We could see that this one here, it's coming first, and it's got 3x there. It's got 3x there, and this one's coming second. It's got an x. So it's better for this one to come first than this to come first. Good. I think we're done here, and let's go for our ENS. Good. ENS is equal to, we have open bracket, 3x plus 2, close bracket, open bracket, x plus 4, close bracket. Beautiful.